Alright, college algebra students. I got a request from one of my students about having issues finding the correlation coefficient on your calculator. There is a setting that you have to have turned on to make that happen. So let's go ahead and do that. The very first thing you have to do is go Second, Catalog. And then you have to scroll all the way down to Diagnostic On. Well, that's a lot of scrolling. And on your calculator, it's got the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, all of them. And those are shortcuts. So to get all the way down to Diagnostic On, I'm going to hit the letter D. So that at least skips me to there. Then I'm going to scroll down until I reach Diagnostic On. I'm going to hit Enter one time to select it and one time to run it. So now my calculator is all ready to give me every single number I could need. So now I'm going to go to Stat and Edit. I'm going to go to the top of this column and hit Clear and Enter. And the same thing over here, Clear and Enter. And now I'm ready to type in my locations. Now keep in mind that the L1 column is all of the X coordinates, and the L2 column is all of the Y coordinates. So that's going to be -3, 2, 5, and this is going to be 8, 2, -1. Now that I have all of my numbers typed in, I can hit Stat, Calculate, and I am going all the way down to Linear Regression. That is going to be option 4. I'm going to hit Enter, and then if you're lucky, this is the screen you have. You hit Enter one more time and you're done. You may have to hit the down arrow to get down to something called Calculate on your calculator. Just depends on which version of a graphing calculator you have. And so I've got an A of -1.33, a B of 4.51, and my R, not my R squared, is -0.999. So -0.999. And I am good to go. Alright. Oh, now it wants me to correctly plot the data. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my y equals, and I'm going to type this equation in. So I'm going to not hit second. I'm going to go to y equals, clear out this, and I'm going to go -1.133x plus 4.510. Okay, and I'm going to go zoom standard. That's option 6. And so there's my graph. Now, if yours does not have the little dots already on it, you can go to Second, Stat Plot, and turn Plot on. You can also change what the marks are. You can make them go from being boxes to being crosses, or back to boxes, or just regular dots. And so once you've turned everything on and you're ready to go back to Graph, and there you go. I like the boxes a little bit better, easier to see. And so you just see which one of these matches that. So this one's pretty close. That one is pretty close. It looks to me 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that cross is too high. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this one, it goes through all 3 dots, which it does not do. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go zoom in on this so that I can see it a little bit better. I'm going to go zoom box. That's option 1 for box. And then I'm going to, it gives me a little cursor, and I'm going to use the arrows to move this blinking dot here, and I'm going to hit enter, and then I'm going to use the arrows to make a box that I can zoom in just on what I want to zoom in on. Alright, so it looks like it goes right through this first dot. So option D, out. It goes just over the second dot. So that's out, that's out, that's our winner. So this, yeah, it goes right through. I think this is our winner right here, C. Whoa, no, it is not. Wow. Well, I messed up on that. Let's try B. Nope, the correct answer was A. So I should have hit the zoom in. And if you zoom in on it, it does look like it does. So that was on me. I should have zoomed in, got a better look, and not trusted my glasses for that one. So you do want to be careful about that one. But hopefully this helped you guys get all the way through this and get the correct values on your calculator. If you have any questions, please let me know.